Hi everyone, for today I will explain muscle tissue. Muscle composed of cells that can contract and relax. These tissues have when you are laughing or be angry. So this expression it will accomplished by muscle tissue. Also keeping eyes in focus. The ball of your eye you can move it to the side and side by what? By muscle tissue. There is three type of muscle tissue which are skeletal muscle, move bones. So any muscle, move your bone, it will be what? Skeletal muscle. For example, moving the muscle in your face, in your limbs, and also in your trunk. Smooth muscle doing functions that you cannot control it consciously. For example, the movement of food in your digestive system, the movement of your stomach. Type of muscle which is in your stomach is what? Smooth muscle. The third type is cardiac muscle. Cardiac means heart. So this type of muscle found in the heart. Function of this type of muscle is what? Pumping blood through your body.